the Joomla CPA affiliate program offers some of the highest CPA commissions in the industry, where you can earn up to $5 or more per lead. Plus, we offer some amazing cash bonuses for our top performing affiliates as well. Last month alone, we paid out over $3,000 in cash extra to our members and affiliates just to say thank you for sending us quality referrals. Now, let me get this straight. The Joomla CPA affiliate program pays out commissions of up to $5 or more per free member you refer. No credit card or payment is required, only a name and email address, and you will earn up to $5 every single time. So, for example, through your Joomla affiliate link, you send people to this page here. They click on create your free account. They enter their name, email address, click the button, and they will create their free Joomla membership, and you will earn up to $5 or more in commissions for the referral. Or a simple account registration page such as this one. They enter their name and email address, click create your account. They'll have instant access to the free Joomla platform, and you will earn up to $5 or more for the referral. So only a name and email address is required. No credit card or payment is required for you to earn commissions. Now, $5 might not seem like that much, but it's $5 just for referring a new member to the Joomla platform. That creates a free membership. Again, no credit card or payment is required. Someone you refer can register 100% free of charge, and you will earn up to $5 in commission for the referral. Now, you might wonder, how can we pay $5 for a free member registration? Now, this is actually quite simple. So, inside the Joomla Digital Lifestyle platform, we have several other products and services that we recommend that generate revenue for Joomla. Now, none of these are forced services, forced product sales, or forced upsells or anything like that. Any products or services that we recommend are completely voluntary to purchase by our members. However, the way we have this set up at Joomla is to provide high quality value for free first before we would ever ask someone to purchase anything from us or purchase anything from one of our recommended partners. So basically, building trust first and offering a ton of value works really, really well in the digital marketing industry, and is a lot more transparent and a lot more honest to our members as well. And that is pretty much what Joomla is all about. Now, as well as with the built-in CPA affiliate program, we only make money if our members and affiliates make money. So we only make money if our members and affiliates make money. So it's a true win-win situation, really. Now, this sounds fair enough, right? Okay, so what I wanted to share with you in this quick video is some amazing results that have been coming in over the last 5 days. We've only just launched Joomla, as I mentioned earlier, over the last few months, so it's still very early days. But our members and affiliates are generating some great results and some really big commissions already, especially over the last 5 days, ever since 2017 kicked off. So let me bring up some results here. I'm just logging into the I'm just logged into the Joomla admin panel, the affiliate program admin panel, excuse me, and I'm searching for commissions between the 1st of January and the 5th of January. Now, today is the 5th of January. It's only 9 a.m., so that's still half a day to go after that 5th day. So it's really just 4.5 days. And I'm searching for approved and pending commissions and referrals. Let me just refresh that. And here we go. We have 4,882 referrals that have come in over the last 5 days alone. So 4.5 really, because this day only just started. But 4,882 referrals have come in, which is absolutely amazing. And what a great start of 2017 as well. So there are the top tier countries such as United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. They will attract a higher commission rate of $4, and all the other countries are $2. And then some affiliates, some top performing affiliates are at $5 or more. And also that will include the cash bonuses as well, which is not included in these results. So on average, the commission rate would be maybe $3. Let me look at the next stats. So I would say most of them would come from the top tier countries, such as this list here. So most of them are at $4. Probably about 65 or 70% are from top tier countries. So they are at $4 commission rate. But for example, just using this as an example, the average commission rate between $4 and $2 is $3. Times 4,000, there was just another one that just came in now, I can see, 4,883. So $3 commission rate times 4,883 is a staggering $14,649 in commissions in just the last 5 days. And this day is it's still half a day to go of this 5th day as well. So that's going to be well over $15,000 in just 5 days. So that's amazing. So if you divide that by 5 days, that's close to $3,000 a day. Close to $3,000 a day. That's being earned by our members and affiliates. So that's absolutely fantastic. And all these results are just amazing. I'm really pleased to see that, not only for us, but for our members and affiliates as well, of course. It's absolutely really cool. So this is, of course, great news for us here at Joomla, as we are expanding the amount of members using the Joomla Digital Lifestyle platform. But this is also absolutely fantastic news for our members and affiliates who have been generating close to $15,000 in just the last 5 days alone. Not even including all the stats from today, as I mentioned earlier, as I'm recording this video early in the morning on the 5th day. So that is $3,000 a day that is being earned by Joomla members and affiliates. So at this rate, it looks like we will be paying out close to $1 million in commissions for our CPA lead program this year alone. And that is excluding the upsells that will go live early spring, and excluding the phase 2 and phase 3 high-end training that will become available later this year too. And you will also be able to earn up to 60% commission on the high-end training referrals that you sent us as well. And this high-end training will sell anywhere between $500 and $2,000. And since it's only early days, only a handful of affiliates are generating these staggering results, whilst other affiliates and members are getting set up and ready to launch their marketing campaign soon. So I'm expecting to see this $3,000 a day to double, or at least double, or maybe even triple over the next month or two or so. And of course, this is not just giveaway money, nor are we running a charity. So these big commission sums are being paid out to those who take action and are willing to follow our training. It will not happen by itself. Now, neither do we portray this as a quick, rich, overnight thing either. It requires effort from you. It requires motivation from you as well, a positive attitude, and a willingness to follow a simple 5-step training. However, with a little effort, this is pretty simple stuff. It's actually really simple stuff to get paid for sending free referrals. You send us a referral that registers for the free Joomla membership, and you will earn a commission. No hype, no tricks, no forced upsell BS. The Joomla CPA affiliate program is already kicking some serious butt in this new year. So make sure you don't miss out on an amazing opportunity and create your digital lifestyle with Joomla, and also receive access to the highest paying CPA affiliate program as well. So click the button below, create your free Joomla membership with free access to the Joomla Foundation program, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Cheers.